Hello everyone, and welcome to the Car Crash Test channel, where we dive into the latest safety results from Euro NCAP crash tests. In today's video, we're focusing on the Honda ZR-V's Euro NCAP crash test results. Starting with the frontal offset test, the passenger compartment remained stable, and good protection was recorded for the knees and femurs of both driver and passenger. Honda did well in ensuring that occupants of various sizes and seating positions were safely protected. In the full-width rigid barrier test, we see some weaknesses. While most critical body areas were protected, the driver's chest received a poor rating due to compression in the crash. However, the side barrier and side pole tests bring good news, with maximum points scored for body protection in both cases. Control of excursion was rated as adequate, but there was a concerning issue with occupant-to-occupant head impacts during side impacts. Although the ZR-V has a countermeasure in place, it didn't fully prevent the driver and passenger heads from hitting each other, resulting in a poor rating for this aspect. On the positive side, Honda's ZR-V comes with advanced safety systems, including e-call and post-collision braking. But like others, Honda did not demonstrate that the electric windows would operate long enough for occupants to escape if submerged. How do you feel about the ZR-V's safety? Share your thoughts in the comments and suggest the next vehicle you'd like to see reviewed. Also, let us know how we can make these crash test breakdowns even better for you. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest crash tests, and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the future of driving. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.